Hey everyone, I'm Aspen.
And I'm Makeda.
Today we're going to show you how to use Cricut Design Space, a Cricut machine, to apply iron-on vinyl to a cotton t-shirt.
We're going to be making this shirt, and it's perfect if you're a beginner like myself or looking to refresh your skills. Let's get started.
For this project, we're using a Cricut machine, a computer, a Teflon mat, a Cricut mat, a plain t-shirt, and we have our heat transfer vinyl.
You will also need painter's tape, scissors, a ruler or measuring tape, your weeding tools, a lint roller, and an iron for your design.
Open Cricut Design Space on your computer. Click Canvas. From there, select the Upload button from the left toolbar. Next, click the Upload Image button. After that, select the Browse button to open a File Explorer dialog. Once you have opened your file, click Continue. Click Upload. For this project, we need to attach the design. To resize, type the desired dimensions in this box on the top toolbar. Click Make. Next, and this is super important, you need to mirror the design. Click Continue. Under Materials, choose Heat Transfer Non-Cricut. Now we load the vinyl shiny side down on the mat.
The mat is loaded and we're ready for cutting.
On the Cricut, press the flashing Load button. Once the machine checks the mat length, the Play button will flash on the machine. Press the Play button and watch as the magic happens.
So we've got our weeding tools. What I like to do is start from the corner. And you're just poking it through the top layer of the vinyl. There's a plastic sheet underneath. We want to leave that intact.
So our heat press is ready, and I'm going to pre-press my shirt for 5 to 10 seconds. As you see here, I have the temperature at 180 degrees, time at 10 seconds. So we're just going to push it down. I'm going to go ahead and use an alignment tool. If you don't have an alignment tool, you can also use a tape measure or a ruler. I'm just going to see where I want my design to be.
Remember to check the instructions on the vinyl you're using for correct pressing temperature and if the vinyl is meant to be peeled warm or cool.
And now I'm ready to press my shirt. I'm going to press it at the same temperature, 180 degrees Celsius, but this time for 15 seconds.
You did it! You designed, cut, and weeded your first custom t-shirt using Cricut and Cricut Design Space.
It took a little longer than I thought, but I still enjoyed the whole process. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Makerspace tips and tutorials.
We hope to see you in the Makerspace soon.
Bye.